Hi guys, Enda here from TrendSpotter, up 2,245 on 3 trades. Let's dive right in. So NVIDIA was the first stock to kind of make a move for me. Gapped up here was all green, and then if you look at this here, and I've explained to you before about the trend meter, okay, the trend meter keeps you out of bad moves, okay, so you see this sell signal here, right? That sell signal is telling you to go in, but the trend meter is saying don't go in, okay? So that's your first indication not to go in, so you don't get into that move, okay? Then you see it starts to go long, but the trend meter is red, so I'm thinking this is going to go short, and there it is. So my first entry was 10.02, where is it? 10.02, yeah, and I took 500 shares, because NVIDIA is a higher price stock. So 10.02 in here, and I got straight out down here in there. So it was basically I took 50 cent. So I took 250 shares at 50 cent, and I got stopped out break even. And that was $125. So I would have taken this short again because of all that selling pressure. But Roku popped up. Roku was the next in line. So that was 10.02, and 10.10 was the next one from Roku. So as you can see here, Roku flew up out of the gate, did all this. No reason to get back in here. It's gone red. So I'm looking for the short, and here's the first sell signal on it, okay? So I got into Roku at 107.95. That one right there. And took that for $1. So my dollar, it seems to slip 6 cents. It was in this big candle here. So it's $1.06. Kind of always, and I think that's the way TradeNet have it. They let it slip, but fine, whatever. It's all right when it's in your favor. When it's against you, it's awful. So that was 1,000 shares, $1,060. That was it done. That was the first move, and then I was kind of looking around, and nothing really showed up, and I took the second move on Roku, and here was my second long, and that was at 10.39. Yeah, right in here. And that was at 107.36 right there, and another $1 I got out at 45, which was in here. $6 again, roughly. Yeah, 6 actually, exactly. So that was another $1,060. That's another move. But look at the size of the move on Roku. You could have got a $5 move on that. And actually, speaking of that as well, if you took this move here with TrendSpotter, you $2.21 move. So let's take a look at the other stocks to see if anything popped up on it. What did Beyond do today? Beyond sold off, did nothing here. Yeah, look at that for a beautiful move. Textbook trend spotting move. So straight down, short in here. Did anyone take this move? $4.09. My God, what's happening in the market? This is great. So $4.09 move on Beyond. There you go, nice and handy. And let's have a look at a long over here. If you were to take this, that's a $2.02. Wow, these are all huge moves. I hope everyone's making money in the market. Netflix, let's have a look. Netflix, up, and away. Hasn't really come back. Okay, there was a one here. So Netflix just did that huge move straight up there. No room really for me to get in unless you got in on that pullback there. But let's have a look at Netflix for a short here. What could you have got out of that? Oh, $4. Wow. Okay, so that was a nice move down. $4. You would have got your lovely $2. Well, the way I do it is half at 50 or 75 cents, and the rest $2. That's a $4 move. That's amazing. Okay, and the buy signal's here, but the trend meter is red, so ignore that. Get in on the one where it's green. Green, 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 green. All green. So what did this do? Excuse me. $6. $6. Okay, so the risk here is very small. You have to go in. When the market's like this, you have to capitalize. You have to take the moves. Okay, because if you don't take the moves, they're going to go without you, and you're going to be back to getting where you're only getting 50 cents and all these kind of small moves, you know. But that's it, guys. Up $2,245 on today with 3 trades, like I said. One kind of failed-ish move on NVIDIA. It was only $125, and the other 2 on Roku. Plenty of meat, plenty of move in the market. Okay, so if anybody has any questions, leave them below. If you have any comments or anyone need a subscription to TrendSpotter, just reach out to me. Okay, talk to you in the next one.